All right, y'all, so if y'all remember, I told you that my muffler's all twisted up, and instead of replacing it, we're just gonna try to twist it back. So you can see that it's twisted this way. The can is twisted towards me, and if you come on over here, you see how loose this spring is, so that helps verify that it's twisted this way. And also this bracket right here, if you notice, it's hitting where it's supposed to mount. If you just try to push it over, now it's making contact with this over here. So this tells me that this bracket is bent this way and it needs to come back in this way. So in order to bend this back, we're gonna heat that up with a good old heat gun. And with this, looks pretty straight to me. All right, now I know you might be wondering, Yoshi, why in the hell you got that goof ass suit on? Now let me tell y'all something. I was Michael Myers for Halloween now. They don't be getting my shoes now. But anyways, yeah, I ain't gonna waste my money. I'm gonna get my money's worth. All right, now I'm gonna get my shoes wiped now. You did me wrong with those. But anyways, we're gonna use these vice grips here, and I'm gonna heat this and then try to bend it back in. All right, y'all. Try to get to a point to where water does that. I don't think I'm bending shit. Close, but no cigar. Might have to take the subframe back off. Yep, we're gonna have to remove the subframe. It looks pretty good. A little bit more. So we got the bolt coming through here, coming back out on here. So my exhaust is still a little crooked. It ain't too bad. It's supposed to be over here more. You recording me? Well, don't be recording me like that, man. Once it got me dropping shit. Yeah. All we need is these two. Yeah, this should be mounting right here. There's a bolt in there already. That shouldn't be no problem. The bolt is right here. Damn, wife, you can't be putting your big old size 13s on stuff now. Big old goddamn Shaq feet. I'm just kidding, y'all. My wife doesn't have Shaq feet. Show them your shoes. Show them. Don't be, she's looking at me mortified. Damn, I ain't never gonna get no coochie. Coochie means food. Man, you can see how bent this thing is. It's even like almost longer. But anyways, I want to get these exactly the same as they were before. And last time I used my stock one to do this, so I'll just use my stock one again. Simply get you a piece of masking tape. You don't want it too long because you want to be able to pick it right back up. See, I got the holes right here. Use a pencil or a Sharpie. I use a Sharpie so I don't poke a hole in it. Just to get the spacing perfect. Looking at how these two bars are, this is technically where the bar end started. So measuring from this seam down to here will get me about the same position. And that's what I did with this one. And if we look, that's what I did the last time when I was comfortable with that. So from here, don't even really need to measure nothing, but if you wanted to, you could measure and try to be precise just to mark where that tape line. Remove your tape. It's a cylinder, so it don't matter where you put it. What's important is these two holes are spaced out the exact same as they were before. And if you want, you can measure. We're looking at about 6 inches and 2/32. It's about 6 inches and 2/32. Bam, perfect. Get a good divot in there. Now to start your drilling, make sure your bar end is secured. Not putting a lot of force on it, just letting it walk itself in. And we're good to go. it.